Okay, so I did a quick Google search and used the flathead screwdriver, reached down and kind of pushed one of the prongs forward, and that allowed this to properly seat. Only difference now that I'm not 100% sure on, so it definitely shifts. Only thing is, so that's neutral. That, I'm assuming, is high-low. Only problem is, that's the freaking thing before I disassembled everything, and I'm assuming that's what it came from the factory with. But now I can't go any lower into high, and what's even weirder is, so that's neutral. Now it goes 2 shifts up. I am so confused. I am confused. I flipped the handle around. That didn't do anything, obviously. And honestly, I flipped it back because it was gonna. Anyway, that's not the correct way of doing it. That is so bizarre. So that's definitely neutral. Down and over, or excuse me, over and down is one setting. I can't go any further than that. That's definitely neutral. And then just straight up, it goes. I am so confused. I is the confused. But made some progress. Try not to lose that down into the nether regions. I am way behind on my my YouTube videos. I got the spark plug video, my mom's brake video, my fiance spark plug video, my spark plug video, the differential, front and rear differential video, etc., etc., etc. So, but yeah, Scuba Cruiser is a couple steps closer to being back up and running. And I will try and make a better effort of posting scuba diving related content for those of you watching on this on E-Step Adventures. So, I think with that, I'm going to post this video, and hopefully someone from one of the Prado Facebook pages will be able to get me a answer. Maybe do some more research. Yeah. Good night. Like, comment, subscribe.